This is Monkey. Monkey has bananas. Lots of bananas. But he has a problem. No one's buying. The jungle is full of monkeys. But no one knows Monkey sells bananas. His fruit? Just rotting in the sun. Is Monkey bad at business? Not really. He's just missing one thing. Marketing. Marketing is how Monkey tells the jungle, "Hey, I've got bananas." It's the sign, the shout, the story, the jungle echo, period. Bananas for sale. Now they're listening. They're curious. They're buying. No marketing? Bananas rot. With marketing, bananas are gone. Marketing is knowing what monkeys want, creating the right message, reaching the right trees. Some monkeys scroll, some click, some swing from tree to tree. Marketing finds them all. Marketing isn't magic. It's monkey science. Be smart, be seen, be like Monkey.